Hello and welcome to Drinking Dirty in Jersey, and this is our beer ventures. And tonight we're going to be rating Brooklyn Brown Ale by the Brooklyn Brewery. And we rate our beer in 5 different categories, and those categories are alcohol content, look, taste, whiskey pairing, and push-up abilities. Each category is in a 1 through 5 rating, 5 being the best, 1 being the worst. So we're going to do our first category, which is alcohol content. And this has a pretty decent alcohol content. It's 5.6%, a tiny bit above average, so I'm actually going to give this a 4 in alcohol content. Okay, our second category is look. So for look, I'm going to give this a nice pour. And look at that. Very, very dark looking. It almost looks like a Guinness. It's a very dark beer. And it actually looks pretty good. I mean, it looks pretty tasty. I'm going to give this a 4 on look as well. Now for the third category, which is my favorite, and that's taste. Let's give this a good swig. The taste is okay. I was a little disappointed. I thought it would taste a little bit better. Very pale taste. So I'm actually on taste, I'm going to give this a 3. Now the fourth category is whiskey pairing, and most men like to drink whiskey with their beer, so I like to drink a beer, then taste whiskey and see how it goes with it. So I'm going to take another swig of this. Now let's drink our whiskey. Go John Wayne. Decently with the whiskey, not very good. I'm going to give this probably an average score with the whiskey. I'm going to give it a 3. Now last category, push-up ability, and then what that is I like to do push-ups when I drink. If you watched any of these before, you know that. A lot of people like to do different things like bang fat chicks, call ex-girlfriends in the middle of the night, whatever it is. I like to do push-ups, so I'm going to give this one more swig here. Now I'm going to do some push-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Decent push-up ability, not that great. I've had better. So on push-up ability, I'm actually going to give this a 3. Okay, now we have our total score. Total score is a 17. Okay score, not terrible, but also not great. You can find this beer right now at Salt Gastropub in Stanhope, New Jersey. Very awesome place, has tons of beers, great food. Sometimes they have incredible brunch, excuse me. But please go and have one of these and drink on.